Welcome to the video on developing a research topic. First, choose a general research topic. Think about what interests you. Also think about, is your topic relevant to your assignment? Next, do a little background research. This will give you an overview of the topic, some key issues, as well as specialized terminology. And next, create a research question. So take your topic and turn it into a research question. The two main problems with developing a research question is that often it's too broad or too narrow. If a topic is too broad or too narrow, you can limit or expand your topic by asking some questions. The first question is, who is your population or group? What is your discipline or focus? Where? What is the geographic location? When? What is the time period? And why? Why is this topic important? Here's an example. The general research topic is pollution, which is too broad. So I ask the question, what? And I narrow it down to acid rain and also where. And I narrow the geographic location to the United States. So the topic is acid rain in the United States. And my question is, what can the United States do to prevent acid rain? My next topic is Deltec Community Climate Change, which is too narrow. So I ask who, and I change it from the Deltec community to man-made climate change. So the topic is man-made climate change, and my question is, what impact do humans have on climate change? Hope you found this video helpful. If you need help, please contact your library. Thank you.